Allah's last prophet, Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, indeed, Allah likes sneezing. Sneeze is also called al-atsah in the Arabic language. Sneezing is a good thing. It clears the mind and refreshes the body. The first person to sneeze was Sayyidina Adam alayhi salam. When he sneezed, he recited, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Allah Almighty responded, I have created you for my praise. When you sneeze, keep these things in mind. Cover your mouth with a cloth or your hand. Try to make the sound as low as possible because raising your voice during a sneeze is not a good practice. While sneezing, also be cautious that the droplets from your mouth or nose do not fall on someone else. After sneezing, say Alhamdulillah or Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. If someone else sneezes and says Alhamdulillah, respond with Yarhamukallah, meaning may Allah have mercy on you. It is stated in Mira'atul Manaji, volume 6, page 316, that when someone sneezes and says Alhamdulillahi ala kulli hal and runs the tongue all over the teeth, insha'Allah, he will be protected from dental diseases. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.
We love Madani Channel. We love Madani Channel. We love Madani Channel.